Welcome to Post-Flight by Trading Wings, a series of short videos designed to educate you on the types of plays we teach in the all-new, multilingual First Flight Trading Room. The first trading room of its kind, teaching you to the penny how to enter and exit trades so you can earn your trading wings today. For more information, visit us at tradingwings.com. Hey traders, welcome to Post Flight. Today we're going to talk about symbol MDT. We're going to do this a little differently today. We're actually in the play right now, so we're going to kind of just play along with it. I'll show you where we're at. We've been playing this. It's our only open play at the moment, but we've been playing it back and forth throughout the day. Based on the daily chart here, we're interested in seeing MDT bounce, and what we did is we let it bounce the first time here on the 5-minute. Here, we'll just kind of keep this an informal video today. We're almost to our target, so I'm just going to keep a close eye on it. What we did is we let it bounce first, and we actually started playing it right on this reversal bar. And you know, we picked it up here, and we gave the opportunity for other traders to add here. I personally didn't add until we started moving up a little bit further. No, we didn't add here actually. I added back here. So we added some shares. We're able to take some profits up here. We've been playing it back and forth, so we're racking up a good amount of money on this play today. And more importantly, I mean, who cares about how much we got or whatever? More importantly, why did we play it, and why are we using 41 as a target? Well, if you look at the daily chart, you have this 3 days down, and actually we put MDT on our backup list today. I felt like we had a pretty good list of symbols on our focus list, but I always have a few backup symbols just in case. And MDT was one of our backup symbols, ATI was another one, TTWO was another one. And we happened to just see MDT bounce first, and we started talking about it and said, hey, let's just play it in and out. You know, the market's just a little crazy. You know, we're still in between yesterday's high and low, and so we were willing to kind of play it back and forth a few times and hold on to the last piece of the position. So now let's talk about the reason why we're using 41 as a target. Well, the first reason is the whole numbers, as many of you know. There's a lot of orders usually stacked around there, and it can be a lot of fun to get in and out around the whole number. The second reason is, if you look at the daily chart, it's really just yesterday's low. So yesterday, MDT sold off down into the low, which happened to be the whole number, and today it happens to be rallying up into the whole number. And so what we said is, alright, let's just use that as our final target, take the last piece of your position, and let it go all the way up into 41. So the last piece of my position here just happens to be 700 shares. You can see we have 40.28 as the entry, or the average price. Like I said, we did take some profits, we did add back, so our average price happened to be up a little bit higher. And after a quiet lunch, we're actually able to get it to a target here. So I thought I'd do a little different video where I'll stick with it here for a few more minutes and just see if we can get it through 41. So far it looks pretty good. We'll take a quick look at the here we go. And again, this is basically just exactly like what we do in the room. You guys get to see my screen, you get to see what we're doing, and you know, we're making live decisions. So the S&P here, yeah, it's getting a little bounce. Let's go back to MDT. MDT's right at the whole number now, and let's just see if we can get it through. Now, in a real-time environment, if you were in the room, I would be talking you through these bars right here, right now. We'd be talking about being 4 bars up into a target. In fact, I'm going to use this to just start taking some off. We're down to just 400 shares. We're right at the target. Probably take another 200 off here in just a minute. And what we would do in the trading room is I would just be walking you through, hey, how about if it trades under this 94, which is just right under the prior bar, how about we get out of the whole position? And so one of the cool things about being in the trading room is we get a chance to walk you through a real live trade just like this. It's one thing to go back later in the day and show you guys, record a good trade that we did or something. You know, I mean, that's fine. It's easy to make an okay trade look good, but you know, I try to do this every once in a while. We'll show you guys a live trade, good or bad. You know, I mean, you can learn a lot from the bad trades as well. So for me, what I'll do is just kind of follow this out. If we trade under 94, I'll take the last 400 off and call it a trade. All in all, if you're counting dollars, the way we played in and out of this trade today, you walk away with a little over $1,200 on the initial risk. So pretty nice trade. If I'm honest, the day hasn't been the best day ever. We started off with a couple stops on CI. We tried that twice, and we started off with a loss on whatever the other symbol was. And so we started off with 3 losses. And that was the bad news. The good news was we played NIHD today, and we got a nice little run out of NIHD, and you can see, on the 5-minute chart, it was a nice little run, and we actually were able to make back all 3 of those losses just on this one play. So going into our MDT play here, we were actually just about break even on the day. I was down just a little bit, and so that gave me more incentive to really hold this to the target, really try to make a good day out of it. If you were trading today, kind of a tough day in the market there. We were really hoping to see the Qs get over the higher low from yesterday pretty quick, and actually you can see it took almost all morning. If you're looking at the 15-minute chart here, we didn't get over the high or the low until just through lunch, and so we had to be a little patient. But we've been patient lately, and it's been really paying off. So we're going to continue with that. I'm going to leave it here with you guys. You can go back on to MDT and see how we finish the trail. I'm going to still use 94. I'll get out if it trades under 94. Just have 400 shares left. Otherwise, I'm going to shoot for this 200 here on the 5-minute chart. So one way or another, we're about to get out of this trade, and yeah, it's about 2:40 market time. So we'll just see what happens. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Trying to change them up a little bit. Next time I'm going to try to show you a losing trade and kind of walk you through why we're in that losing trade and what we thought was going to happen, and just try to keep it fair and help you guys learn from all kinds of different trades. If you like what you see and you like watching these videos, why don't you come in the room and check it out. We offer a free 2-week trial. TradingWings.com. You can come sit in the room and follow these sort of trades with us live every day. We've been doing really well so far this month, and we've got just a few days left here till the end of the month, and so far it's been a really, really good year. So we look to continue that over the summer, and hopefully we see some good trading action then. So I hope you enjoy. We'll talk to you soon.